everybody. Good morning everybody. We are discussing differential equations, homogeneous differential equations. Homogeneous differential equations. We'll continue with that. We did second Roman, third sum I think. Now, second Roman, fourth sum. Second Roman first sum will do as homework. Will go for sixth sum. X square minus y square dx. X square minus y square dx. 4 and 5 will do as homework, very simple. Minus xy dy equal to 0. Minus xy dy equal to 0. Minus xy dy equal to 0. Now, if you bring xy dy to the side, this becomes x square minus y square dx equal to xy dy. Now is nothing but x square minus y square by xy equal to dy by dx. dy by dx. Now if you observe, this is a homogeneous differential equation. All are of same degree, second degree, second degree, second degree. So this is a homogeneous equation. If it is homogeneous, what is the procedure I told? Let y equal to dx. Let y equal to dx. Now, this with respect to x becomes dy by dx equal to b into derivative of x is 1 plus x into derivative of b is dt by dx. So wherever dy by dx is there, substitute b plus dt by dx. Substitute b plus dt by dx. Now, this is dy by dx. In place of dy by dx, I can substitute b plus dt by dx. X into dt by dx. b plus x into dv by dx equal to, this is x square minus y square is b square x square because y is equal to bx. So x into bx. Now if I take x square common and cancel, left out is 1 minus b square by b. 1 minus b square by b. Now bringing this plus b to that side becomes x into dv by dx equal to 1 minus b square by b plus b goes to the side minus b. Plus b goes to the side minus b. Now this is equal to, if I take b as LCM, this becomes 1 minus 2b square. 1 minus 2b square b into b. Now variable separable. If all the b's to one side, all the x to one side, other side becomes, if I go for variable separable, what happens? Means this becomes all the b's to this side if I bring, becomes b by 1 minus 2b square dv equal to dx by x. dx by variable separable. All the b's to this side reciprocal. All the x to that side reciprocal. dx by x. b by 1 minus 2b square. Now if you observe, derivative of 1 minus 2b square is minus 4b. Minus 4b. So if I am integrating on both sides first. Integrating on both sides. On both sides. What happens? This is integral of b by 1 minus 2b square dv equal to integral of dx by x. But this derivative is minus 4b. So I will multiply with minus 4 and divide with minus 4. So minus 1 by 4 equal to dx by x. Now this is minus 1 by 4 into f dash x by fx. Log mod fx. That is log mod 1 minus 2b square equal to log mod x plus c. I can write as log c. So I will write the constant on this side log c. Now this 4 to the side first. Now it becomes log c equal to log power 4 plus, because 4 goes to the side, 4 log x, that is log of x power 4 plus log of 1 minus 2b square, 1 minus 2b square. Now this is log a plus b, log b becomes log of a into b, log of a into b implies log c equal to log of a into b, means log of x power 4 into 1 minus 2b square, x power 4 into 1 minus 2b square. Cancelling log on both sides becomes c is equal to x power 4 into 1 minus 2b square. b is y by x, so I can write y square by x square. Now if I take LCM x square and cancelling becomes x square into x square minus 2y square equal to c. Is our final result. Is our final result. So first of all, it is a homogeneous equation. I am taking y equal to vx. Then wherever dy by dx is there, I am substituting v plus x into dv by dx. Then by simplifying, I went for variable separable. So automatically integrating on both sides, the derivative of this is minus 4b. So I am doing minus 4 into 4 into minus 4 by minus 4. So that f dash is fx log mod of x, and this 4 goes to that side, 4 log x. Now that is 4 log x is log x power 4, and minus goes to that side plus. So log of 1 minus 2b square. Log a plus log b is log of a into b. So x power 4 into 1 minus 2y square by x square, because b is y by x. Now by taking x square LCM and cancelling becomes x square into x square minus 2y square is the final result. Is the final result. Now the next sum, 7th one. X square y minus 2xy square dx equal to x cube minus 3x square y dy. Same will go for variable homogeneous equation. If you observe, this is degree 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, this is already 3. So this is a third degree differential equation. Third degree differential equation. So I will bring dy to this side. Reverse also we can do. I told you. We will try that. Dy to this side and this part to that side. What happens? X2 minus 3x square y divided by x square y. Now dx by dy equal to, I am bringing dy to this side, this to that side, x cube minus 3x square y by x square y minus 2xy square. So now I am taking dx by dy, means instead of y equal to vx, we will go reverse, x equal to vy. So let x equal to vy, let x equal to vy. What happens? If with respect to y, if with respect to y, what are reverse will go? Previously did with respect to x, now did with respect to y. So derivative of x with respect to y is dx by dy equal to derivative of d into derivative of y with respect to y is 1 plus y into derivative of d with respect to y is dv by dy. Y into dv by dy. Now in place of dx by dy, we can substitute v plus y into dv by dy. So y into v plus y into dv by dy equal to, in place of dx by dy, I am writing v plus y into dv by dy equal to, in place of x, wherever x is there, we are substituting dy. So this becomes v cube y cube minus 3v square y square into y becomes y cube by vy. So v square y square into y by cube minus 2vy into y square by cube. Now by taking y cube common cancelling, so finally we get v cube minus 3v square by v square minus 2v, v square minus 2v. Automatically this is a homogeneous purely because all the y's get cancelled, the equation becomes for v only. Now plus v to that side becomes y into dv by dy equal to y into dv by dy equal to v cube minus 3v square by b square minus 2b, and plus b comes to this side minus b. Plus b comes to this side minus b. By taking LCM b square minus 2b, the equation becomes, now the equation becomes, by taking LCM, it becomes y into dv by dy equal to y into dv by dy equal to, the LCM is b square minus 2b, and this is as it is b cube minus 3b square, b into b square minus b cube and take care about the calculation, minus b cube minus into minus plus 2b square plus 2b square. Now b cube got cancelled, so this becomes minus b square minus 2b, minus b square by b square minus 2b. Now if I take b common and cancelling, the left out is minus b by b minus 2, minus b by b minus 2. Now variable separable, all the ways to the side, y is to that side, becomes b minus 2 by b equal to integral will do later. Now goes to that side, dy by y, and this minus is there, I can keep on this side or on this side. Now I am keeping on this side, your choice of keeping. Now integrating on both sides, so becomes integral of b minus 2 by b equal to minus integral of dy by y. Now this is, you can split b by b, 1 minus 2 by b, 1 minus 2 by b. So integrate separately, it becomes integrate separately. Now the equation becomes integral of b by b is 1 dv minus 2 into 1 by b dv, 2 into 1 by b dv, 1 by b dv. Now this is equal to integral of dy by y means log y plus some constant plus c or log c, your choice of writing. Now this becomes 1 dv is b minus 2 log mod b equal to minus log y plus c. Plus c I can write on both sides, any side. Now I will write c on this side and minus 2 log b to that side, becomes b plus c equal to b plus c. Plus c constant, minus c you can think, but there is another constant, I will take that as c. Okay, I have made it as some c1 and c1 comes inside plus c. Minus c1, that I am writing it as c. That doesn't matter actually. Next is equal to 2 log b goes inside plus 2 log b. So 2 log b is log of b square minus log y as it is. Now this is log a minus log b, log of a by b means b square by y, and this side b plus c as it is. Now what is b? B is x equal to b by, now x equal to b by, so b equal to x by y, so wherever b is there we can write x by y, so this becomes x square by y square by y. We'll cross check once. Now wherever x is there, b is the substitute x by y, it becomes x by y, or I might c on that side only, so that log c only I will write log c only, nothing will happen. So this becomes plus log c. C you can write it on this side, it doesn't matter, it doesn't affect your answer 100%. So plus log c means into c, this is y into c. So x by y equal to log of x square by y into y square, becomes y cube c. Now there is c. Now this I can write like this, e power x by y equal to x cube by x square by y cube c, If I want, I can bring this constant to this side, means y cube c to this side, it becomes y cube into x power y cube c into e power x by y equal to x square is our final result. Next sum. dy by dx plus y by x equal to y square by x square. Observe the sum. This is given in the JEE mains this year and 3 days back, August 3rd exam, 2020 August 3rd exam. Already I sent the PDF, I think. You observe in that. The same sum is given, means direct sum also given from differential equation. Textbook sum as it is sum is given if you observe. So dy by dx plus y by x equal to y square by x square with small difference minus. If you observe in the paper, this y by x is on that side. That is only the small difference. But this is minus, plus is giving, he is giving on that side plus. That doesn't matter, no, same sum, almost same sum. So that same result will follow. dy by dx equal to y square by x square plus y by x goes to that side minus y by x. Plus y by x goes to that side minus y by x. As usually, as it is a homogeneous equation, let y equal to bx. Let y equal to bx. Let y equal to bx. Diff with respect to x. Diff with respect to x. What happens? Derivative of y with respect to x means dy by dx equal to uv rule. V into derivative of x plus x into derivative of v. dv by dx. So wherever dy by dx, we will substitute v plus x into dv by dx. So here we will write v plus x into dv by dx. V plus x into dv by dx equal to y square by x square. Y square means v square x square by x square minus y means again dx by x. X cancel, x square cancel. So is equal to v square minus v. And on this side v plus x into dv by dx. Bring plus v to the side becomes minus v. So x into dv by dx equal to v square minus 2v. V square minus 2v plus v goes to that side minus v. V square minus 2v. Now you can bring on this side variable separable. And the same sum, one more thing I want to tell you. Same sum you can do using Bernoulli's equation. That is other case. And if you observe, you think that this second degree, but this is first degree. So it's not homogeneous. 100% it is homogeneous. If you substitute kx comma ky, what happens? K square cancels. Here also k cancels. So k power 0 into f of x comma y. So it is a homogeneous function. Then why there is a difference in the degree? If you take the LCM, this becomes x square, y square minus xy, means all are in the same degree. So by separating, it is confusing you, like it is not homogeneous. But if you take LCM, it automatically becomes homogeneous. That's why this is 100% homogeneous. And you can do using Bernoulli's, that is another way. We will think later on when you teaching Bernoulli's. Now this is let y equal to dx if with respect to x becomes dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So wherever dy by dx is there, I am substituting v plus x into dv by dx. Now y is dx, v square x square by x square minus dx by x. X getting cancelled, x square getting cancelled becomes y square minus v. So plus v goes to that side, minus v automatically v square minus 2v. Now next step is variable separable as usual. So for variable separable, all of these to one side, x to other side. So this becomes, bringing all of these to one side, the equation becomes dv by v square minus 2v equal to dx by x. dx by x. Now integrating on both sides. As usually, this becomes dv by v square minus 2v. Means you can go for completing square or you can go for partial fractions. So I am going for completing square plus 1 minus 1. So that this is a minus b whole square I can write. And this is equal to integral of dx by x is log mod x automatically I can write. So this is integral of dv by v minus 1 whole square minus 1. 1 is 1 square. This is x square minus a square. 1 by 2a log mod x minus 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a I can use. And this is integral of 1 by x is log mod x plus constant I can write as log c. Constant I can write as log c. Now this is, and you get, instead of completing square you can go for partial fractions also 100%. You are trying to. Now I am going for completing squares. That's it. Now this is 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by 2a means 1 by 2 log mod x minus a means b minus 1 minus 1 by x plus a b minus 1 plus 1 is equal to log xc is equal to log xc log xc log x plus log c. Now this 2 I will leave on that side, becomes log of here b minus 2, b is y by x, b is equal to what is it actually? Y equal to b dx. So b equal to y by x. So I can write y by x minus 2 by y by x by y by x, because this one I can cancel. So is equal to this by 2 goes to the side 2 log x is nothing but log x square c. 2 log x is log x square c. Now cancelling log on both sides and taking x LCM, this becomes y minus 2x by y equal to x square c and y to that side I can leave like this. So your final result is y minus 2x equal to x square by c. Like this you can solve a differential equation if it is homogeneous. Next, say third one, first sum. Now we will enter third one, first sum. 1 plus e power x by y, 1 plus e power x by y into dx plus e power x by y into e power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy, 1 minus x by y dy, 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0. 1 plus e power x by y dx plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0 is the symbol. This is also given, same type is given in JEE. 100% I know that it is given if you check the previous data. Now, how to solve this? If you observe, this is always x by y. So, whenever you find x by y, convert into the form of dx by dy. X by y means dx by dy. Y by x means dy by dx. Standard. So, you found x by y. So, convert into the form of dx by dy. Because in place of x, if I substitute dy, this y cancel, simply e power b. So, integral of e power b I can easily do. That is the concept. So, 1 plus e power x by y into dx equal to, this whole thing goes to the side, e power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy minus r. Now, dy to this side, this part to the side becomes dx by dy equal to e power x by y into, this minus I will bring inside, so x by y minus 1 and this into divided becomes inside divided by 1 plus e power x by y. This is the equation. Now let x equal to dy. This is dx by dy converted because this is x by y. Now let x equal to dy. X equal to dy. If with respect to y. If with respect to y. If with respect to y. Now the equation becomes dx by dy equal to vy, means UV rule. V into dy with respect to y is 1 plus y into derivative of v is dv by dy. Y into derivative of v is dv by dy. Now v plus y into dv by dy equal to v plus y into dv by dy equal to e power x by y. X is dy, y cancel becomes e power v into same dy by y cancel v minus 1 by 1 plus e power v. Now plus v goes to the side minus v. So y into dv by dy equal to y into dv by dy equal to this plus v goes to the side minus v. E power v into v minus 1 by 1 plus e power v plus v goes to the side minus v. Now LCM is 1 plus e power v. LCM is 1 plus e power v. So becomes e power v into v minus e power v. This bracket I am expanding and minus v into this. So becomes minus v into 1v minus v into e power v minus v into e power v. Now this v into e power v, v into e power v gets cancelled. I can take minus common. I can take minus common. Then I will go for variable separable. Then I will go for variable separable. Now if I go for variable separable and if I take minus common, the equation becomes I will write one more y into dv by dy equal to, if I take minus common, this becomes v plus e power v by 1 plus e power v. Now variable separable, all the v's to this side, 1 plus e power v by v plus e power v equal to minus dy by y minus dy by y. Here dv. Now this is all the v's to one side, y's to other side. Now integrating on both sides something over. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Now becomes integral of 1 plus e power v by v plus e power v dv equal to minus integral of dy by y. Now if you observe this, derivative of v is 1, e power v is equal to means f dash x by f log mod x. So log mod of v plus e power v, log mod of v plus e power v equal to, this is minus log mod y plus c. I can write as plus log c. Instead of c, I will write log c. So that this minus log y I bring on this side becomes plus log y. So becomes log of v plus e power v, v plus e power v minus log v comes to set plus log v plus log y equal to log c, equal to log c. Now log a plus log b, log of a into b means v plus e power v into y equal to c, log c. Cancelling log on both sides becomes v plus e power v into y equal to c. What is v? V is, we took x equal to vy. X equal to vy. What is v? X by y. So wherever v is there, that substitutes x by y. X by y plus e power x by y. X by y plus e power x by y into y equal to c. Into y equal to c is our final answer. Is our final answer.